Hey y'all, charging back at you here with another video. This is a kind of a special video because I'm going to show you my everyday carry. Now this is what I carry with me, on me, every day. Damn, I think my voice sounds a little bit different. That's because I was sick this morning. So I'm basically going to tell you what I have on. That was a weird lag. I'm not going to cut this video, but I'm going to show you what I usually have on me every day. And this might give you some ideas what you can carry on you. Just saying. But first off, I don't go to school anymore. Yes, I dropped out. I'm usually trying to figure out how to get my GED right now. I'm also getting my learner's permit pretty soon, getting a job. But here's what I carry on me every day. If you go to school, you might not be able to carry these things on you because you might get in trouble. But if that's the case, you know what you shouldn't carry on you. But I always carry my hat with me. It's just, you've probably seen this hat. It's a Chevy hat. The American flag. Pretty torn up. I had this for a while. That's one thing. I always carry this. Or I always have this on me no matter where I go. Second off, the ring my girlfriend gave me, it doesn't fit anywhere else except my pinky, so I just put it on my pinky. Yeah. But when I'm home, I usually put it in the case. Which I'm about to do. Second off, or third, dip. Which means I'm going to pack a lid right now. Before I forget. Good old fatty. Dip can. Which I usually have in my back pocket. Next thing. In the same pocket, a small wallet. Keep my dip can in front of my wallet. I also got that ring in the back of my pocket. Now I'm going to show you what I have in my wallet. I'm not going to show you everything in there because this has my ID and whatnot. But I'm going to show you the specifics. I have a homemade lock picking set. I got your rake. And I forgot what this is called. But it's, I might have to do a video on how to lock pick stuff. I don't know. But what you do is you put that, or I'm not going to explain it right now. But I have my ID, I have library card, I have my, this one, just get out of there. And I also have a little razor blade, just in case. I don't know what the ounce I have in here. Oh yeah, some bobbers, or bobby pins, I don't know what the heck they're called. I'll put this back in my wallet. Mm. It's very hard to put in my wallet, but now that that's all in my wallet, I'm going to show you what else I have. I have freaking Grizzly. I don't even know what the heck this is. Um, it's producing pouches or I don't know what it's called. That's that. And of course, I put my money in here. That's that. Done with that. Now, what else do I have? Oh yeah. If you guys don't know this, I don't think I ever told you, but I love knives. So, but did it freeze? Oh, it didn't. I like throwing knives. I like knives. You'll see. But I got my phone in my right pocket. And I also got butterfly knife in the same pocket, right beside of it. And what I usually have in my pants, right here, the back side of my pants, I have throwing knives. Now see, I started carrying this after I got out of school. You know, just in case anything happens. I've been practicing a whole lot. Maybe 2 years now. But I've gotten pretty good. I might have to make a video about, throwing knives. That might be cool. That's that. Anything else? No. And my zipper's undone. Finally, you guys can see I had to stand on top of this chair. I got this bandana, which I have. It has a padlock on the end. Now, I put the padlock in the left back pocket. And I have, the bandana in my first pocket. That is self-defense. Just in case. It can't ever be too safe. But I suggest most people get one of these. All you need is a bandana and a padlock. You fold up your bandana, you put it through the padlock, and you just tie the end. Really simple self-defense weapon. You guys know I like survival stuff. Try not to cuss. I like to be prepared. I'll show you right. Oh crap! I can't even. Hold up. I can't show you with this fucking laptop because it won't flip around to show you my room. But I will show you on a different, probably next video. But that's basically my everyday carry. I don't put anything in my boot because I don't want anything to actually fall out. But I always wear jeans. I could run very well in jeans and boots. Just in case. And they're tough. So that's what I do. So if you like this video, subscribe. At 50 subscribers we are going to make our own chewing tobacco. I'm going to show you how to make your own chewing tobacco. Or, I don't know. or I might do the full can plus the can itself. Itself. This is Grizzly Dark Wintergreen, if you guys don't know. I think I'm going to switch to Grizzly Dark Wintergreen now. It was Copenhagen Wintergreen, but I've been start dipping Grizzly Wintergreen right now. So if you survive, I will see you next time. Bye.